Hi friends, so we've been busy and today I have a surprise. I'm sharing a room reveal. Hi guys, so today I'm giving you kind of a tour of what's been going on, what we've been up to in the house, some updates, construction you all didn't know about, and future plans. So are you ready? I am so happy, you guys. So over Christmas to New Year's, my husband and I have been working on this. We did a whole wall of what I call our prayer room in board and batten. So we painted it out in this beautiful green. I'm going to show you exactly what color it is. Took me quite a while. We've been in our home now 6 months to decide exactly what I wanted to do in the space. Now, if you look at our floor plan, this says it is the formal dining room. One thing we didn't need in this house is another area to eat, especially formally. We're just not those people. I like to have spaces for people to come in and sit down and have a conversation. So that's what I decided to do with this room. There's Poco lounging, and we are finally feeling like it is ours. So we got some color on the wall. It is called Marketplace, and it is by Magnolia Home. It's a color you can find at Ace Hardware. I had so many greens on the wall. You guys didn't see, but during my Christmas home tour video, I kind of didn't include this wall because it had swatches on it. So over here, I decided to do some shelving. I'm so excited. I finally have a place to decorate. So I actually found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was a really good buy and convinced my husband that it would stay up forever because it's really heavy duty. So went ahead and attached it to the wall. I think it's originally from Ashley Furniture. Someone bought it and sold it, and I love it. So I just kind of threw a few things on it. I'm still gonna play with it. I love the colors in this globe. I think it brings out the colors of the sofa, which are sort of like a caramel color. Now, I did buy those a few months back from Costco. It's a set of 3, and I just loved the color. I've moved the rug from our great room in here. I have a new rug to share with you guys too, and that's where we're gonna be sharing our future plans. So for in here above the love seat, I already have what I'm putting there. We'll get to that and share it soon. In the corner, I'm picturing something tall. I'm not sure yet what. And I want something above the sofa, but I'm not going to buy anything or hang anything that I'm not in love with. So when I find it, I will share it with you guys. Of course, I love my shelf, and at least it kind of looks more like a room. Now, don't pay attention to the opposite side of the room where it's a total mess right now. It's a work in progress. We're going to be doing some decorating here soon. So to say I love it is a complete understatement. It is gorgeous, and now we are thinking about our next project, the next big transformation. So let me show you what we're going to be up to. So now I'm going to take you into the great room where we are working on ideas for our next project, the next step of making this house into our home. Hopefully it'll happen this spring to the beginning of summer. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys what we're thinking. So when we moved here, everything suddenly was not the right scale. We put up our Christmas tree. It is down, no worries. And it's a 7-foot tree with a star on top. And you can tell how it's just sort of dwarfed by the height of our ceilings. And what used to be our huge TV now kind of looks like a miniature TV. So what we thought we would do is build a fireplace, an electric one, and then maybe have some built-ins on either side for some storage. Then maybe a few shelves on this side, maybe a lighting fixture above, same thing on this side to balance it. But bump out that center portion and then mount a more size appropriate TV for the wall because this one just kind of looks silly. And we can use this one in our outdoor space. So I mocked up a little thing to give you guys the visual of what we are thinking of doing. Now, luckily my husband is handy, and Hisense had reached out to me over Christmas and said, hey, we'd love to send you a TV to review. So I went over to Costco because I kind of wanted to see the product. I had never had a Hisense. We've had a lot of Vizios. And my husband, who is a techie, was very unhappy with our last purchase, which was a Vizio. But he did a ton of research. Usually when companies reach out to me, I run it past him and he reads up the reviews and says, no thanks, because he's got high standards. But for this one, he read enough that he was happy that he would probably like the product and it was the right size. So big thanks to Hisense for sending us their 65-inch U6 GR5. It's a 4K ULED LCD TV. Such a better fit for the space. My family's loving the Roku and my husband's loving all the other features. I'll have them listed in the description below in case you're interested. So we have it set up. You can already see the size difference is huge. Here's me learning how to use a Roku because I'm not much of a TV watcher. Now, what I do love about it is that you can watch YouTube on it, like all your favorite YouTube channels. And apparently my husband says I need a better camera because he was not happy with my camera quality, but he's extremely happy with the television quality. And he could tell right off that I needed a better camera. So thank you again, Hisense. You are just hooking us up. And we are happy with the size of this. Now, I will tell you that watching yourself or hearing your voice third party on TV is strange. So yeah, I could probably do without that, but we are very happy with the television. My husband says it is a way better picture than any TV we've ever had. The remote is straightforward and easy to use. The kids love that they can watch their Disney Plus. So all around, we are happy with it. Now, this is our next project room. You guys know I've shared the furniture I picked out. Now we have the appropriate size television for the space, and I did pick up a new rug. So I am already trying to think of what colors and textures would look good in our built-in. It's really kind of a massive space. I don't know if that's coming across on camera. So I kept the furniture really neutral. It's very large scale furniture. So comment down below and let me know, what do you think for our fireplace? I'm thinking of doing maybe a faux wood tile. I think we need some more warmth in the space. So the rug that I picked up is actually a wool rug that I found, just ran into HomeGoods and I saw it. It was $400 and I was like, I will never spend that much on a rug. So I ran back in a couple weeks later and it was on clearance, half price. But this room needs color and texture. So I did pick it up and it is all kinds of greens. Now what I like about the TV is that it doesn't have much of a depth. Now I like that because that means we have more room to work with when we do the construction over here. You can tell my son's enjoying it for the VR. We've got the camera up on top and my husband is happy, which is the most important because when it comes to technology, he's the guy. Now, if you are in the market for a television, we do recommend this one. We are happy with it, so I'll have all the information linked in the description down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the transformation and plans to come. I'm in love with it. I'm so excited to make this our home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.